Here we have video 2 of the 1966 Cyclone GT. It's got 56,000 original on it. It's actually running here. I just put new exhaust on it, put a whole new engine back. So here we have the original California plate, original to the car. It's been on it since July 27th to 66. This is all original paint, original interior. Got a little ding in the hood here, little mark from setting the battery on it. But the paint is original to the car. Interior, all original. There's an aftermarket AC unit in it. Dash pad, bezels, gauges, even the steering wheel is mint. No rips, tears, frays in the interior. Even the package tray looks really nice yet. Carpet is excellent, maybe a little bit of fade there. Even all the trim on the seats. Got a few little dings from the seat belts. Has the deluxe seat belts on it, so they let go of the retractor. But the door panels, perfect. All the weather strips are actually quite nice on it yet. Looks like you got a little bit of dirt build up here. Needs a good cleaning, but these wheel covers were been in the trunk since 1970 at least. I just put them on. First time they've ever been installed. They're just a nice color combo, nice car. Here's what a stock 390 would sound like. You can see how beautiful the dash, bezels, gauges, steering wheel is. Headliner is literally perfect. Has a remote mirror. Has factory power steering, power brakes. Wipers are off. The wiper motor had never been used, so it quit, but it just needs to be cleaned. Here's under hood. You can hear it just purrs like a kitten. Just so smooth. It does have a different battery, and the cable there has been replaced. You see a little battery acid splatter. Original radiator. It's even seal. Here's the VIN number. Original air cleaner. Has original, coil distributor, valve covers, air cleaner, the carb. The carb has the tag on it yet. There's still a engine tag there next to the coil. Has original insulation on the hood. It's a little dirty. It's all there, but it's definitely getting, after 57 years. Bottom of the hood here needs to be cleaned up a little bit, but it's pretty much as delivered. Of course, the GT grill is really nice. So it's pretty much nothing on the whole body exterior. Everything's been changed. Just a few wearables under the hood, a cable, and belts and hoses. That's about it. There's original miles on it right now, 56,767. So I put on about 60 miles so far. Been just kind of tinkering, going through, making sure everything's okay. Here's from the driver's seat. The dash pad is really nice. Rear view mirror is pretty much perfect. Sun visors. Console's mint. Even the lights there work. There's nothing on the car that doesn't work. So, put it in gear and go for a little drive as the sun sets. Sunset cruise with the old Cyclone. What a fantastic car to drive. swing into Wendy's to get a Frosty. Celebrate. We're all working so good here.